Hey, what's up people? In this video we're going to update our pirated Windows 10 to a genuine Windows 10. So if you're curious how is that possible, stay connected. I hope you have already subscribed to my YouTube channel.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive notifications from our channel. Subscription is completely free.
It's simple. I have a pirated Windows 10. Okay, so I can show you. If I right click on this PC and go to properties, you can see over here Windows is not activated. Okay, so I don't have a product key. You can check over there too. Like go to update and security, go to Windows update. Where you can see the activation. Okay, Windows is not activated. I have a product key but it is not found. Okay, like because I have already used it, so it's showing this, but my Windows is not activated. I don't have a license, a valid key or a valid license on this Windows. So it's so simple. You can do it in like 2 steps. So here's the software named KMS Pyco. Sorry for that. Here's the software named KMS Pyco. It's software used to crack Windows tools like Office, MS Office, Excel, and all that shit. So all you have to do is download this from the description. So just open the RAR file and extract it anywhere. Like I'm extracting it on the desktop. So here you go. Here's the folder. Just open it. There are 2 folders. It's install and portable. I'm going to use portable because I don't really need to install this. So just go into the portable and you can find this KMS Dell kind of application there, but you can see you can run it. So for that you have to go here and type Defender and go into Defender, go into virus and threat protection, go into threat protection settings and turn the real-time protection off. Grab the permission, cut it, and you can see it's gone. Okay, so if you see some error like that, just delete this folder and open it again and extract it again. It happens. That's why I showed you before doing that, because some of the people get confused, like where the fuck did my file go. So just do it again, go to the portable, and now you can see you can run it as admin now. Okay, just run as admin and you can see the program is loading. Once the program is loaded, just click on the red button over here.
Program complete.
Done. It says program complete and it's gone. Okay, so the next step is basically there's no next step. Just go into the properties. You can oversee there is Windows is activated. So it's simple as that. You can you can see it there too if you wish. Go to activation. You can see Windows is activated using organizations activation service. So that's it. That's enough for the video. I hope you like. If you have any doubts, if you have any question, you can grab me in the comment section below. And if you do like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.